to bring this series to my channel. And it is for me to try and share new products. But in order to get to there, we need some support from the brand. So this time I'm gonna be sharing some products that have been sent to me by various brands. We have makeup, skincare, body care, some jewelry. I'm very excited. Let's get into it. So the first brand is called Youthforia. Very new to me. Never heard of this brand, but the ethos of their brand has to do with makeup and skincare blended. So it's makeup that you can sleep in. Their products are clean, cruelty-free, vegan, and bio-based so that it's better for the planet. Let's get into it. So they hooked your girl up with 5 products. This first product is the pre-game setting spray. It's a skin moisturizing setting spray that creates a film over your makeup to keep it in place. And I'm here for it. Your girl loves a good setting spray. So it has a, I feel like I'm smelling something like a slightly fruity, but I could be wrong. It could just be me. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna give this a try. This is the pre-game primer, and it is supposed to stop moisture from leaving your skin. I have tried it. It is very smooth, and it has a sort of like a slightly thickness. Like if you've ever tried Benefits primer, you might like this because it has that same like silky feeling that has a little bit of weight to it. So I like this. The next are these 2 lip glosses. These are the dewy glosses. This one is called 3 AM and it has kind of a purplish tinge to it. As you can see, they are very sheer, not a ton of color. And I like that this one doesn't have very much like glitter in it. It has a little bit of glitter, but it's not prevalent on me. This next one is called Coral Fixation. Again, a very, very kind of sheer coverage. So if you're someone who doesn't really like a lot of color, these might be nice for you. However, they do have substantial amount of glitter in them, especially in this Coral Fixation. And I can feel the graininess. So to be honest, not exactly my favorite, not exactly my cup of tea, but it is a really nice, pretty look, and it doesn't look too glittery on. So now the next one is a blush oil. Now this one is fascinating. It is an oil-based blush that goes on your skin. It's called Chemical Reaction, and it changes with the chemistry of your skin. So technically this should create a perfect shade for everyone. And I am very excited to try this. I tried it on my hand and it actually has a nice, pretty color that I can see even better on a napkin. So like I am very excited to try this and give you guys feedback. Also, something really cool that they shared are these magnetic plates. So essentially, you can set your makeup up and the magnets are very, very, very strong. I am appreciative of this and they gave me 2, so I love them. Now the next is a jewelry brand. So if you've been checking out my kind of choker style necklace and this ring, these are from a brand called Miansai, and I really love that they have so many gold options. Now this brand is incredible because they have unique pieces that really speak to my individuality and how I like to present myself. And they have a very strong men's section. In fact, I almost want to say they lead with men's jewelry and women may have come secondary. So, you know, you already know you're gonna get something different and unique, and this did not disappoint. This is the braided herringbone choker. What I love about it is that it's flat, it's lightweight, but it makes a bold statement. It's so good because I know chokers are in right now and I'm not a huge fan of super bulky jewelry anymore. Sometimes I'll do it, but not always. And so I love how this lays really flat. It looks very expensive. I wanna say it retails around the $140, $150 range. And then this ring. This is the angular ring in gold, and you know what? It's sharp. It is sharp, but it's unique. So I really like this. It's not sharp dangerous, but you know, you might want to be you might want to be a little careful. And I'm using this in place of my wedding band. I needed a gold ring. I don't have it. My wedding band is actually white gold. And I just love the shape of it. They have such unique pieces. I am linking everything I'm talking about down below. And I honestly feel like I'm gonna need a part 2. Next up, we have Coco and Eve, and let me tell you, I'm loving the island vibe that this brand gives. Even the packaging, when I opened it up, I was like, ooh, I love the artwork. I really, really love their kind of like cool, easy breezy kind of summer vibe that they give. It's like a tropical kind of vibe. Really love that. So we're gonna start with their Bali buffing sugar. The sugar it's made with is coconut sugar, and it has the oils. It has a kind of like a mango-y smell to it, a little bit of a coconut smell as well, but it also has an undertone of something else, and so I'm wondering if that's the sugar. It smells not, I don't want to say chemically, but it does have like it also has an undertone of something else that maybe is the sugar. I'm not sure, but it's not overly fruity. It does have a fruity essence to it. And I tried it on the back of my hand, and if you like that hard grain, this might be for you. Next is the Body Moisture Whip. Now you know, I love me a thick formula, and I can tell that they probably put some cocoa butter or something in there because it is thick, okay? But it's interesting, it doesn't have a greasiness to it, and it goes on kind of like a satin finish. So if that's for you, and say you wear like a lot of like silks and like kind of more delicate fabrics, you might really like this because you don't have to worry so much about the grease getting on your clothes. So this is an option. Also, I want to mention that they did give me this jelly massage mitt. I've never used a mitt before, but I will be trying this out for exfoliation. Excited. So this is the Smoothie Shower Gel. It has a very strong, fruity, mango-y, kind of tropical fruit smell to it. I love the color of it as well. It's really pretty, actually. What is that, like a pink or a purple? I don't know. The bottle is kind of squeezable, so I know it's gonna be easy to use in the shower. I'm excited to give this a try because the scent is really fruity and yummy, right? We're gonna have to do a part 2 because I don't wanna bog everything down, okay? These are the products that I will be trying this month, and I'm bringing back my favorites videos so that you guys can get like a full out kind of mini review of some of the things that I'm using and loving, and you'll be able to see what things will stand out. There's a lot of strange noise happening right now upstairs, but comment down below, let me know what product you are most excited to see me try so that I can make sure to include it in my favorites or give you guys some type of update, okay? That being said, I will see you in a few days. Subscribe, like, help your girl out. We're trying to grow this channel. And I'll see you later. Mwah.